all of you. In this video, we will discuss consumer rights under the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Any seller cannot put any condition on consumer to purchase a particular product, to select anyone to select a particular product. The seller has no right to put any condition on the customer. It is meant that the customer has a different right to select the product, to purchase any quantity of the product at different prices, at a different color, whatever it may be. The consumer is in these days, the consumer is king. Whatever the customer is selected to purchase a particular product, that is a right. Means the consumer has a right under the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Government of Karnataka, Department of Collegiate Education, S.V. Kavade, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Postgraduate College, Jaipur, 586-101, mobile number 9986529073. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please like this video. Please share this video to your friends. Whatever have the doubts or suggestion or opinion, please write your opinion in the comment box. Okay, now come to the what mean by the consumer protection or what mean by the consumer right. As per the Consumer Protection Act 1986, protection against any unfair practices of trade. Protection against any unfair practices of trade means the consumer can be protected against any unfair practices of trade in the world. By taking some example, you can understand. If there is any defective in goods or services, the consumer can be protected from the defective of the goods or for the defective from the defective of defects in the services. Means at any price, at any quantity, at any means for selecting any different colors, the consumer has a right. What do you mean by the consumer right? The protection against any unfair practices of trade. Now we discuss what are the consumer rights one by one. First one, right to safety. What do you mean by the right to safety? First I have to discuss about this one. Protection against hazardous to life and property. By using that particular product, if you suffer, if you face a problem, it is a problem to our health. Automatically we can protect from that those hazardous to our life and property. You have the right to protect from hazards to life and property. That is also consumer right. By using some chocolate, by using some biscuits, if you have any problem, if you will have any problem in future, automatically though means you can be protected by using that products, means you can go for the court. But I give some note, means the products which are injurious to the health, means the cigarette, tobacco, wine, already printed there is a note on the brand, on the packet of those products. This product is injurious to health. After consumption of the alcohol, after the consumption of the tobacco, after the consumption of the cigarettes, definitely you will have the health problem in future. But it is not possible to go for the court for the protection against these products. Why? Because already the seller have given the information, it is a injures to the health by consuming these products. That's why, please remember this point. If there is no information that it is a means by consuming these products, by using this product, it is injures to the health and property, on that situation only can go for the court. You can fight for the protection against those companies, against those products. Okay, by taking some example, you can understand the right to the safety means the consumer has a right to safety. The first one, only I am giving the some practical problems, means don't misunderstand me. What I am giving the example only for this video, means for understanding the student. First one, immoral practices of doctors, pharmacists and hospital. The particular means the ex-patient, Mr. Ex-patient goes to the hospital by taking the some tablet, by taking the services from the hospital, by taking the services from the pharmacy. The patient may be affected the extra health problem. Against these malpractices of the doctors, the consumer has a right to go for the court, means the consumer has a right to the safety. Sometimes the doctors cannot diagnose the patient properly. On that situation also the consumer has a right to safety. The next example, injuring to the health by using the automobile product. Okay, generally we purchase the automobile products, means the vehicles, bikes, car, truck, bus, whatever it may be. By using those automobile products, if it is affected to our health condition, means when you are going to use those products, means the vehicles, if those vehicles will produce the air pollution more, it is affected to our health condition. Against these cases also we can go for the court, means the consumer has a right to safety. Next one, injuring to the health of the children in chocolates. This is also one of the example the consumer has a right. By chewing the chocolate, by the consumption of the biscuit or the any kurkure products, if the child will have any health problem in future, the guardians or the parents of that children, that child can protect from against those consumption of those products. Means the consumer has a right to safety. Side effects of tablet and syrups. Okay, generally the patients are taking the tablets and syrups as per the direction of the doctor. When you are taking the tablets and syrups as per the direction of the doctor, after consumption of the tablets and syrups, if those are affected, if those are damaged to our health condition, in these also condition we can be safety, we can be taken as a right, we can be used as a right of the safety, right to the safety condition. Next one. Okay, I give the some means the best example. The Tata company was manufacturing the nano car, but today the Tata company is not manufacturing the nano car. Why? When the Tata Nano car was purchased by the customer, when the passenger or the customer were using those cars, means the future cannot be estimated in advance. If it was occurred an accident, totally the nano car will be damaged. When the totally nano car was damaged, automatically all passengers in the car were also damaged, means died or injured. Because due to the small size of the car, means the small size of the car is not suitable to run on the road. That's why the Tata company stopped the manufacturing the nano car. Okay, there are different reasons, but it is also reason to the right to the safety. Now discuss the second right to information. Now discuss the what I mean by the right to information. The right to be informed about the quality, quantity, potency, purity, standard, price of goods or services. The right to be informed about the quality, quantity, potency, purity, standard and prices of goods or services. Generally, when you are going to purchase any product, generally there are number of information printed on our packets, printed on boxes, because the consumer has a right to information. The consumer should be known what is the quality of the product, what is the quantity of the product, what is the price of the product, what is the standard of the product. Generally, when you purchase the biscuit, any type of the company product biscuits, you can see that name of the company, in which place the biscuit is produced, expiry date, manufacturing date, the price of the biscuit, and whether it is recognized by the government, whether the biscuit has authorized with ISO or ISI, and how to use the biscuit, and what are the potency. Potency means protein, carbohydrate, how much you get the carbohydrate or protein, fat. The different information will be displayed on the packet of the biscuit. Means the consumer has the right to information, the right to be informed about the quality, quantity, potency, purity, standard and prices of goods or services. Okay, by taking some example, you can understand the right to information. Information how to take syrup by putting the information brochure. Generally, you are seeing that. When you purchase a particular syrup which is prescribed by the doctor, generally you see that there is one paper, printed paper. In printed paper there is information how to take this syrup, how the syrup is manufactured, what are the contents of the syrup. Some directions are given to the patient how to take these syrups. Means there is one particular information brochure will be inserted in a syrup box. Okay, this is also one of the information, means the right to information. Second example, booklet, how to use machines or bikes or car. When you purchase a bikes or car or trucks, bus, definitely you receive the one booklet. In that booklet there is a lot of information. What are the spare parts of your bike? How to use the bike? What are the condition of the bike? And what is the warranty? What is the guarantee? Okay, in which circumstances the bikes can be protected, how the petrol consumption will be less or more. Some directions are given to the user of those vehicles, means machines. If you take another one example, when you purchase the mixer, there is also one of the booklet, how to use the mixer. Next one. Terms and conditions of insurance policies on bond paper. When you take the insurance policies from any insurance company, there is one bond paper between the insurer and the insurance company. Means there are conditions between the parties. There is an agreement. Before signing any bond, the customer has to read all the information. Means all information is already printed on the paper. That is also right to information. Next one, information booklet before taking any services. When you want to take any education services, when you want to take any particular services, there is one booklet information to you. Take one example. When you are taking any computer education services, there is one booklet information to you. When you want to take any service from the engineer or lawyers or chartered accountant or doctors, some reputed companies are prepared some information booklet before giving any service to the customer or client. This is a PowerPoint. America is not allowed to sell the goods or services without information of the product and services. In America, no product is sold, no service is provided to the client because due to if there is no information of your product or services, it is not possible to sell your product to provide the services in our country, means the America. Next one, right to choose. Okay, now see that what do you mean by the right to choose means the customer has also right to choose. The right to be assured wherever possible to have access to variety of goods and services at a competitive price. The right to be assured wherever possible to have access to variety of goods and services at a competitive price. Means the customer has different rights to select, to choose. No one is stopped the customer to select any product. The customer can select any type of product at any quantity of the product at any type of color at different prices. And also you can purchase any product from the different companies, different brands. No one seller is stopped the customer. By taking the example, you can see that. In online payment apps, there are different online payment apps are there. PhonePe, Paytm, Google Pay. When you want to recharge your mobile, before recharging your mobile network, if you want to select the recharge the Vodafone, the app should disclose which type of schemes are available to the customer. 199, 200, 350, 400, 500, 600 or 1000 or whatever it may be. All the schemes should be displayed to the customer before charging any mobile. Means which are available to the particular number, because the customer has the right to choose. Any app is not possible to put the condition to charge this particular amount. only the 500. That is not possible. The customer can select. The customer has a right to choose any scheme which are available to him, which are provided by the company. Next one, right to select product of any company. Means already I told you, when you want to purchase the bike, okay, there are different bikes are available in India. You can purchase the bike from TVS, from Hero, or Honda, or Mahindra, or Suzuki. Means the customer has a right to choose any product from any company. Only these are examples. The customer, this is the most important for you. The customer has a right to select at any quantity, price, any color, quality too also. No one is stopped. No one is stopped. No one is stopped the customer to select particular quantity, to select the price, to select the color, to select the qualitative. Means the customer has a the customer has a right to choose, select any type of product. In North Korea, this is also one of the power point to you. In North Korea, the public is allowed only hairstyle prescribed by the government. There are only 8 hairstyles which prescribed by the government of North Korea. You cannot make your own hairstyle in North Korea. Means what I am saying this now, means that this right is not applied in North Korea. Next one, right to be heard. Okay, now discuss that. The right to be heard and to be assured the consumer interest will receive consideration at appropriate forums. The right to be heard and to be assured that consumer interest will receive due consideration at appropriate forums. The consumer has a right to hear any information from any company, from any product or any type of branded companies. But I think that's some example you can understand this one. The network industry should pick up call from customer. It is a duty of the company. Already the customer subscribed your network. Already purchased your SIM. That's why the customer has a right to hear about which schemes are available to him. Means taking calls from the customer by the network company, it is also one of the right to the customer. Next one. Generally, now we are seeing the YouTube channel. There is option to express their views on video content. You can express your own views on video content regarding that particular video. Means the customer, the viewer has a right to be heard. Only I am giving the examples. Consumer can ask any information before purchasing the goods or services. No seller is escaped for giving the information to the purchaser before purchasing the goods or before rendering the service to the customer. Means the seller should give the information before purchasing the goods or before providing the service to the customer. Means the consumer has a right to be heard. Before purchasing any bike from the company, The customer can inquire. The customer can make the inquiry. What is the price of that bike? What is the mileage? Okay, which means different type of bikes are available in the company. We may ask any question. Means the consumer has a right to be heard. Next one. Customer can give response after purchasing the goods or services. After purchasing the particular goods, the customer has also right to give his suggestion how to improve the goods, how to improve the product, how to improve their services. The customer has right. Even after purchasing the goods, the customer can be heard from the particular company how to use that particular product. Means when the customer is not possible to use that particular product, the customer can be heard from the seller. Next one. Customer can press 1 star, 2 star in the supermarket. Okay, before going for this example, in the Google Play Store, there is a, in the Google Play Store, when you are going to download any app, in downloading the app, there are some options. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Means the customer has a right to press any star, 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars, 4 star or 5 star, whatever it may. Okay, now come to this example, means the fifth one. Customer can press 1 star or 2 star, any star. Generally in a more market or Reliance, Big Bazaar, there is a one digital option board to the customer. After purchasing the goods in those supermarket, the customer has a right by pressing whether the customer is satisfied with the service of the supermarket. He press 1 star or 2 star, 3 star. By pressing the button, by pressing the star, he can be expressed his views. If he presses the 5 star, excellent star, okay, the customer is satisfied, very good. He is satisfied very nicely. Okay, means the right to be heard. Generally, in our India, the ISO certificate is not issued if the company is not to be heard from the customer. If there is no response was from the customer and the seller, generally the ISO certificate is not issued to those companies. Next one, right to consumer education. Empowering the consumer to take the decisions which are better than before. What do you mean by the right to consumer education? Empowering the consumer to take the decisions which are better than before. Empowering the consumer to take the decisions which are better than before means the consumer has a right to take the education. Okay, by taking some example, you can understand this right. Driving license. Generally, all automobile companies are restricted to sell their vehicles. To whom the customer who has a driving license, only those vehicles should be sold. If the customer has not a driving license, means the seller has to provide the driving education to the customer. Next one. Training to handle heavy machines by the entrepreneur. Okay, when you want to establish the sugar factory or cement factory or cloth factory, means when you are going to establish the big factory, handling the machines is very difficult as a new entrepreneur. On that situation, those company means the seller means who are selling the heavy machines, those companies how to provide the education, how to handle the big machines, how to handle the heavy machines. Means the customer has a right to consumer education. Means without giving the education, consumer education, those machines are not sold to the customer. Next one, training by Tally. Okay, generally the number of customers are used the Tally software to maintain their accounts and also for payment of GST and also preparing the GST return. Training Tally. The Tally company is responsible to provide the education, how to maintain, how to use the Tally software to the customer. It is meant that the customer has a right to consumer education. Means when you are purchasing the particular product, when you are purchasing the particular software, it is the responsibility of the software company has to provide the consumer education to the customer. Okay, now come for the next right to redressal. Okay, what do you mean by the right to redressal? Protection against unfair trade practices. Protection against unfair trade practices. By taking some example, you can understand this one. Taking grievances from mobile users by the network company. Okay, already the customer subscribed to your network, already purchased your SIM from your company, but the customer mobile users are not satisfied with your services. For these unfair trade practices by the network company, the customer can be readdressed. The company, the mobile user, the network user has a right to view his complaint to the network company. Next one, taking compensation against the untrade practices. By using the particular product, if it will be affected to the health condition or it will be affected to our property, we can take the compensation against the untrade practices. Okay, just I give the example, another one. Generally, in matchboxes, there is one printed information on the matchboxes, so there are 50 sticks. There are 50 sticks printed information on the packet of the matchbox. If 50 means if the sticks are less than 50, the customer can readdress to the customer, means the company. The customer can also go for the court because the sticks in the matchbox are less than the 50 sticks because already printed information about the 50 sticks. Means that is also one of the right to addressal. The customer can also go for the court against any trade practices. Means okay, by using that particular product, if you have any loss, if you suffer from those by using those particular products, you can means you have the option, you have the right to readdressal, means you go for the court any trade practices. Warranty and guarantee services to the customer. Okay, already the seller has given the 2 years warranty, but the seller is not providing any warranty services to the customer. Within 2 years, the customer has a right to readdressal, means the customer can go. He has a right to do his complaint to the company and also go for the court. Okay, thank you. In this video, you have a discussion what the consumers has a right. Thank you, one and all.